You might have heard about a lot of cities and countries where people have different type of food and special delicacy according to their preferences, cultures and traditions. China may be on the top of the list, but today we are going to talk about a place where a person with a strong gut and heart can only visit. If you are sensitive and love animals, I suggest you to stop watching this video right now. Today we are going to talk about a meat market where exotic animals and small animals are sold to the customers. We are going to talk about Asia's most extreme market, which is about an hour drive uphill from the city of Manado lies. Tomohon Market, Indonesia. Tomohon Market was once the largest market in the city. There are more than 1,300 ethnicities in Indonesia, making it a multicultural country with a diversity of languages, culture, and religious beliefs. This market sells almost all kind of meat an animal lover like me would never even think about. Dogs are one of the most sold items in Tomohon Market. Pythons, ducks, and mice are roasted and sold every day. Tomohon Market likely got its reputation because for many animals it serves as both slaughterhouse and butcher shop. The meat of animals is being butchered and it's going to be packed according to the customer's demand. Here, the meat is not sold in pounds, but it's sold as either as whole animal or a part of animal. Pig is the second most sold meat as well. All the counters have all kind of different meat where animals have been charred or roasted. The meat of mice and bats being sold on huge quantity every day. The bats are sold here for $4.03, mice for $3.80, dogs for $15, pigs for $20, and pythons for $17. The local people of Sulawesi enjoy all of these special type of meat in their dishes every day. This meat market has people here who have been working here for 30 decades. There's no such thing as taboo here. Within the last year, some vendors were still selling macaque monkeys. Because of education, awareness, and government intervention, the selling of macaque monkeys meat was banned, and there is now a possible 5-year jail sentence for selling macaque monkeys meat. Here all kind of meat is sold: cats, chicken, dogs, rats, rabbits, you name it. And all of the animals are caught in the wild and are sold in the Tomohon Market. For many years, this market has been selling the meat to the local people, and people here love what they eat. People here enjoy dog meat the most as it's cheap and sold the most in the market. There are many places around the world that have similar meat markets where China is on the top of the list that we will cover in our next video. I hope that you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Enjoy the rest of the video. Till next time.